G'day guys, welcome back to Aussie Man Channel. G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. I did a video just recently with hydro dipping on an ashtray in the old 50-year-old vehicle here, my ute, the one tonner. And the response to that, the views was just, I was blown away. I've got nearly, I think it was in a few days, 3,000 views. So yeah, that was something that attracted a lot of people that aren't used to what or aren't from my channel or don't normally follow my channel, but it was a good interest for them. So I will be doing more hydro dipping on the car. I can't guarantee any success like last time because it is a real art to do hydro dipping, trust me. Temperature, the right side, the glue activator, everything. It's just, I've been practicing, trust me. So yeah, appreciate for the comments and the views. It's really good. And stick around for this episode now on the vents. I'm putting them back in. And yeah, a lot more to come. So if you're interested, stick around and enjoy. Okay, so I've got a slot on top here. Now I'm going to have to run silicone right around the top of this. Now I'm just going to guesstimate probably about, I don't know, 10 mil thick, because I do not want this to leak inside. Once this is fitted, that's basically it's there for forever, hopefully, put it that way. And there's 2 screws that hold it in place. So you've got to push it up, make sure it fits, and then you just got to twist it. I had to shave a little bit off the front of this here from, where was it? From the top down. I just had to make that a little bit thinner. So that's why you've got to experiment or do trial and error. Okay, so I'm now going to do another test fitment and then put it up and then bring it back down and then run some silicone around this edge and go for it. I also tested the screws that I'm using. These are new ones. The other ones were rusty and very tight. So these ones are a lot better. You're not struggling to get it in. There's no rust there. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, so I'm going to do one more test fitment. So got this wire up the other way. So I'll bring it up, and then you just sort of got to twist it that way just a little bit. So this is over covering the hole, and up in here, I don't know if you can see, I've marked where my holes are to give me an idea of where rotation should stop. And I'm going to put this front one in first because I can feel just a demonstration, I can feel that it's all up nice and snug. So if I put a nice big thick bead there, that should be good. Up in here, if no one's aware, but this is a drain plug for what we're talking about up in the cow, because this all gets blocked up with leaves, dirt and everything. Every vehicle of this era does the same thing. Even cars today can still have problems like this. I've got to buy 2 more. They plug onto here and they go out a hole in the sidewall here. And that drains any moisture up in there. Alright, so I'm going to run some silicone around and make sure I get some in the hole as well for where the screw's going, so it doesn't leak out there as well. I've got a rag ready to wipe any excess. I've just got a little bit here, just a little bit on my finger. I'm going to smear up in both those holes. I'm actually going to go grab a nib. It's got a nib on the end so I can reach a little bit better. Okay, fingers crossed. I don't know how good this is coming up on camera, but anyway, you get the idea what I'm doing. That's better. I just don't want to take it back outside again because I'll get silicone all over the place. Now I'm pretty sure that this is going to be way too much, but no one's going to see it if it's spewing out, and I'd rather that than having wet carpet, new wet carpet, and rusting the floor again. Alright, whoa, stay there, stay there. Okay, here goes nothing. So I'm putting the cable back up here. I'll put this back. Oh, yeah. Screws in the driver, because once I start, there's no coming back. That's up out of the way. Okay. Here we go. So I'll put this one in first. This screw in here first, which should line up. Where are you? Oh, I did mark it. Oh no, don't fall, don't fall. Oh, great. Oh well, can't be perfect every time. Because you've got to get the silicone off your hands, otherwise you're just going to put it everywhere, and it is shit. I don't know why that's not lining up. Alright, I'm going to go around to the other one. I just got to put a bit more force and twist it around. Is that finding the home? Oh, what is going on? Oh, there it is. Go up though. Ah, the back's dropped down a little bit. Alright, screwing into place. And that's not quite flush now. I think that's up. Remember, this is supposed to have a, where are you, camera? This is supposed to have a, I don't know, a gasket around it. Bring it back down. I'll just take my time. It's going to look terrible. Yeah, and I can see there's not much around there to the middle of the whole unit. Get some more in there. Okay, that should be more than enough. Let's see how much of a mess I can get on the second go. Whew. That screws there. Now I'm going to let this sit and cure for about 10 minutes, and then I'm going to tighten it right up. There's probably guys in the comments that are going to roast me for what I'm doing, but I don't want it to not seal. A different view. That's the silicone. And I've got to hope that this tube here lines up with the vent later on. But that's still flexible, still needs to be pushed up. And you can probably see a gap around the back. Even the this here you can see the top, so this has sort of come down a little bit, but once it cures a bit more I'll give it another 5 or 10 minutes and then I'll get into it. Might even block something under here to help push it up, because there's only 2 screws. So that's it there. So once I push up a bit more, there should be more goo come out, and that screw is covered. Okay guys, so that's all installed now. It's got a good seal around there. This is nicely sealed or cured. Looks really good. I've checked inside from outside in the plenum and put a bit more sealant where I could, so I'm really happy with that. I'll go around and show you the other side now. Okay, so I had to remove the fuse box before I could put this back in, or to get it out, make it easier. It's hard to see, but yeah, it's in there now. It's back in there. So it would have been a damn shame if I had left that how I had it before. So do not make that error. Buy the proper seals, or yeah, make sure it's very well sealed up. How you do that is your decision. Very hard to see in there, but that side's done. The pipe's back in. Extremely hard to see, but you can see the masticing around there, or silicone I should say. So that's it. I've got a bit of a list I've started to put together. Up here we've got a lot more. I'm going to probably need the whole length of the shed. So airbox sealed and siliconed in, and yeah, still got a long way to go. I've got the wiring system, so I've actually bit the bullet, and I've got a professional come in, and he's going to help me with the wiring. So the new terminals don't line up with the old system, so you got to try and work out what's going on there, and it's just a bit of a nightmare, especially for me. Thanks for watching guys, really appreciate it, and stay tuned for more. Yeah, I've still got as I was saying before, the upper and lower fascia I've just received today. I just got some new material, so I'm not real hopeful, because it's basically a bit of a disaster, but you'll see that in the up and coming video. So if you want to watch that, stick around, subscribe, like and share, and see you next time guys. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye then.